with Stud Maverick Aviation. Today we're going to fly and do some practice landings. We'll fly out of Mesquite today. That's the Class D airspace. Give me a little more practice with the tower and ground. And then we're going to fly over to Rockwall and do a couple landings, and maybe over there to Terrell and do some landings. I need some landing work. If you got any comments, any suggestions, please leave them below. Also, if you haven't heard, November 12th, 2020, which was yesterday, there was a Cessna 182 that crashed off the north end of Rockwall. Probably we'll see some pictures of that. I know they're still working on cleaning that up. Not too sure what happened. There's some power lines right at the end. Rumor has it they hit them, but you have to really be extremely low to hit them power lines, unless he lost an engine or something either coming in. Someone said he might even be taking off, but when you take off, you're well up, mainly in a 182, you're well up and off way before the end of the runway. So I have a hard time believing it could be taken off, but probably get some pictures of that. So let's get our stuff and we'll get out there at the airport and get going. See you there.
1221 uniform, ready to taxi VFR to the northeast.
Cessna 161 uniform, Mesquite ground, runway 18, taxi via Alpha.
Runway 18, taxi via Alpha, 221 uniform. Guys, we're going to go up here and do some landings. Need a little practice. And I am flying out of Mesquite today, which is a Class D airspace airport. So that way I get a little ground work, tower work at the same time. If you heard about yesterday, Rockwall, Texas, there was a Cessna 182 that crashed over at Rockwall. That's where I live. We're flying over there. Don't know what we're going to see, but let's see if we can get some out of it. So I'm going to do my run up here, so I'll be back with you once once I get everything done and we're ready to take off.
Cessna 624, follow the Cessna traffic up ahead, just starting his base turn, runway 3, correction, runway 18, cleared to land, wind 100 at 4.
Cleared to land for runway 18, following the Cessna that we have in sight, 19624.
Mesquite Tower, Cessna 1221 uniform, holding short, runway 18.
Cessna 1221 uniform, Mesquite Tower, hold short, runway 18, traffic on base.
Hold short, 18, 221 uniform.
Cessna 624, turn right at Delta, taxi to parking via Alpha. Thanks for all your help.
Right at Delta, taxi to parking via Alpha. Appreciate all your help as well, 19624.
Cessna 1221 uniform, Mesquite Tower, runway 18, clear for takeoff. Proceed on course northeastbound, wind 100 at 6.
Clear for takeoff, 18, cleared for northeastbound, 1221 uniform.
Thrust 423, frequency, change of route. Have a good flight.
Thanks for the help, Thrust 423.
right, guys, feet on the floor. All right. Everything's in the green. That runway to land. We got a field right after it to land if something happens. So you want to get some altitude as quick as you can. We are cleared to the northeast, so get up there. Don't get a lot of RPMs here, that's for sure. Northeast bound. Says we can make it back, but I don't know about that. We're gonna go to about 2,000. Rockwall traffic, Cessna 1221 uniform, about 6 miles to the southwest, inbound for runway 17. We'll be entering a left downwind. Rockwall.
Traffic Cherokee 8137 uniform, left downwind for runway 31, Cleveland traffic.
Got 500 miles, we got 500 feet to lose, so I shouldn't take that long to lose that. Left
Rockwall traffic, Cherokee November 98308, about 10 miles to the north, inbound for straight in to 17.
Track traffic, RV6 Whiskey Tango, left downwind 35, low approach trend.
Cessna 22, Rockwall traffic, Cessna 221 uniform, over I-30 entering the 45, left downwind for 17, Rockwall.
Okay, Rockwall traffic 98308, all center left base, full stop this time, 17.
Whoa, that was a little too close. A bird just wants to, birds just want to play around with you today. I got you inside.
Thanks.
Alright, let's get this right, guys. Oh,
Traffic, Cherokee 6833 Charlie's about 4 miles southwest of Farron for the practice runway 35, practice GPS, Bonham.
Let's slow her up here. It's flaps. Let's get at least a notch of flaps in there.
traffic, Cessna 623 Pump Alpha, crossing the south end of the field, east to west at 2,500 Decatur.
Rockwall traffic, Cessna 221 uniform, turning left base, runway 17, Rockwall.
And Rockwall traffic 98308, clear the active.
Yeah, you can see the crash site. The little balls ain't there. Rockwall traffic says 221 uniform on final runway 17, Rockwall. That was really, really, really bad. Really, really bad. Rockwall traffic, Cessna 221 uniform, clear the active, taxiing runway 17, out back taxi. That was terrible. Sink rate, I mean, that's coming a little too steep. I should have went around.